guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this gorgeous wig. This wig was sent to me from Afsisterwig. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. The wig is in the SKU number AF0324. The length is 20 inches, the hair density is 150%, the cap size is medium, and the cap construction is a 13x6 cap. The hairlines from Afsister's new delicate hairline Skin Melt Lace Wig collection features the most natural looking hairlines. Each knot of the hairline is single hand tied for a gradual density with no extra plucking or bleaching needed on your part. This makes the wig perfect for beginners. The hairline is clean and natural looking, and it gives a real scalp vibe. Their new upgraded skin melted lace melts into any skin complexion seamlessly. Okay, so let's test it out. I'm going to spray my hand with got2b and then blow dry for a few seconds. Now that adhesive is tacky, I'm going to apply the invisible skin melt lace to my hand. Wow, this speaks for itself. So far, it's living up to its name. Great job, Afsisterwig. So here is how the wig looks when you take the wig out of the package and place it straight onto your head. I am showing you the natural density, the texture, and movement of the hair before styling. This step is always optional. I am going to tint the lace of this wig only because I do not wear a wig cap with my wigs, and you will be able to see the cornrows underneath, or it will look dark where the scalp is, and I need it to look like a natural scalp. So I am going to use two colors of lace tint. The first one is the color of my scalp, and I'll be spraying that in the inner portion of the frontal, and the second color is the color of my foundation, and I'll be spraying that on the hairline or edge of the frontal. I'll be doing 2 layers of each color of lace tint and blow drying in between each layer. Okay, so now that our lace is a perfect color match, it's now time to style the hair. I'm going to grab BioSilk's Silk Therapy and apply that to the hair. In small sections, I'll be applying more of that Silk Therapy, and then I'll be using the comb chase method to flat iron through each section. When I get to the frontal portion of the wig, I will be using the hair wax stick to smooth out the hairs even more, and then I'll be also using my pressing comb to, of course, get those roots to be as straight as possible, because I need the top of the wig where the frontal is to be the flattest. Now it is time to cut away that extra lace. Grabbing a pair of zigzag scissors, I'm going to carefully cut in front of the hairline, following the natural curvature of the hairline. Alright, so now it is time to prep my skin for install. Grabbing alcohol, I'm going to clean off my forehead. Then I'll be grabbing scalp protector from Walker tape and applying that to my scalp. The adhesive of choice today is Eben's Wonder Lace Bond. I'll be grabbing that can and then spraying it on the under portion of the lace. I'm doing one good layer of that spray and then blow drying for a few seconds until that spray becomes tacky onto the lace. Grabbing the wig, I'm just going to place it on my head in the proper position and then put my headscarf on for about 20 minutes to allow it to set. Off camera, I did apply some baby hairs, and here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and of course, subscribe down below and turn on that post notification bell before you leave. I did have so much fun with this wig. This wig looked so natural, and of course, I did not have to pluck it. I didn't have to bleach it, which is the best part of this wig. Of course, the texture looks natural, the lace is flawless, and the hairline is just seamless. I did do a few hairstyles, so if you're interested in seeing all of them, keep watching. Let me know which hairstyle was your favorite down below in the comment section. I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige. Ojai.